Hey guys. Every step counts. Yay, Werkin. Hello. Welcome back. Ooh. Oopsies. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I'm a fashion freak. Thank you, Petunia Dursley. I'm a fashion freak. Thank you, Petunia Dursley. Goyard geek, luxury lover, shopaholic, chic shithead, Hermès whore. And today we're doing part 11, 12, 14, 16, I don't know. Working for my Birkin, on my Hermès journey. Working for my Birkin, working for my Birkin, working for my Birkin, working for my Birkin. So yeah, basically this is a follow-up from where I unboxed my beautiful Lindy. Hi, hello, hi. I talk to her sometimes, and I talk to her all the time. Let's be real, I talk to all my bags. They're my friends. This is what I bought. This is what I ordered last time and I got. Quick update, and also probably be into my working for my Birkin journey. So let's manifest. We're manifesting that I get one in France. I'm manifesting. I am lucky. I am blessed. Everything's gonna be all right. Everything worked out for me. Okay, so anyway, if any of that is something you're interested in, please stick around. Please, if you haven't left yet. If you please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. You guys, thank you guys for all the subscribers. I really appreciate it. I'm really trying to get to 1,000. So please, please, please subscribe and keep on watching, okay? So like I said in my last video, which spoiler alert, plug again, go watch it so you can see the unboxing of this baby and how I got it. I went to order a shirt. Actually, I went to pick up a shirt and then I ordered another shirt because I want to taste the rainbow Skittles of the Hermès shirts and polos. So I got a new color, and also I think that's it. Yeah, so then I ended up, so I just went, actually I had my friend go pick this up for me because I didn't want to go in the store because I knew I was going to buy more, and I was like, I can't buy anymore. So I had him pick it up, and then he almost ended up buying other things for me because of course he saw other things and texted me and I was like, but then I didn't. Willpower. So we'll unbox this really quick and then I will talk about, I mean, you guys, I think that I feel like it's coming. It's got to come soon. I mean, you know, whatever. I feel like I'm close. Definitely hit, I think, the quotas and the categories and everything like that. In my opinion, this is all just my hearsay. I don't know, but this is what I feel and this is what I think. Disclaimer for all my videos. This is just my interpretation. Yeah, okay, we'll do a quick unboxing, and actually this is gonna be a very short video because I don't really have anything else to talk about. But yay, we're every step counts, I think. I mean, come on, this fit. Oof, to die. Extra small. Men's. Telling you, it fits so nicely. And look, he goes away. My orange one. I don't think I did an unboxing of this, but here. So yeah, that is what I got, and I love it, recognizable, and just a little bit of like, look at me, I know the brand, I love the brand, which I already know. I'm not gonna be like Hermès decked out, I think that's too much. Not that anyone really noticed, I don't think. More subtle this time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, please smash that like button, please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and your exes. I know your time is valuable, I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you so much. Let's do this.